Keyboard Pulit Bhoi District haka Īalam u Vivekananda Singh Rathore IPS Superintendent of Police haka miet jongka khatsau trek uyayong arja arpusan gila penlong ya ka jingtalasi bat Khynra napang ya ki kali Paidbah hanongpa na ka benta bante Lakam ya ki kam Sniew kumju ya ki kali bapen Khynra bat ya ka ni ka jing Khynra la penlong haki benta ka National Highway ka Rio persya bat ka office u Deputy Commissioner ka Bhoi District. Habakran sikilat patay kubor USP uletu kani kajing talasi yaki kali la jupenlong na kapor sa kapor bat kadon bun kijing tmu na du kajing te Lakam yaki kam tu kali hakani kasurak ba kajing perking yaki basalan bean yaw drugs ki Bangladeshi ki bawanrong bean siya kani kajalla bat kiwe ki kam Sniew. Shushu ulaang bakatanat Pulit na Bhoi District kalaray ban penklan shushu iki VDP hamman la kisnong bat kermen da kajingetre lang anla ban rating kong yaki kam Sniew ki bakta ya ka emlang kasalang bat ru ban penduna ya kajing ja basngosi na kajing penken yaki anya kali hakane ka surak ba.
काटेगा सर पहले वो लोग को सर वो चेक कर रहे हैं हम लोग ड्रंक एंड ड्राइविंग के लिए कागज हाँ हो गया
This checking has been going on for many days now, continuously, every day, sometimes during daytime, sometimes during night time. As far as this district is concerned, there are 3-4 major types of crime where life and property is lost. One of the most important offenses is road traffic accidents. Last 3-4 months, we have seen more than 20 deaths because of these traffic accidents. So when we analyzed all these incidents, we found out that most of these accidents have happened because of 3-4 more reasons. Mostly, one is overspeeding, especially the bikers, especially during weekends, which we are aware. Apart from overspeeding, drunken driving, that is driving under influence, is another major reason for these accidents. And then a lot of especially heavy motor vehicles are parked on the national highway, which is illegal, so that has caused some accidents. Apart from that, overloaded vehicles, and then these heavy vehicles driving in wrong lane, these are also some reasons because of which accidents have happened. Apart from accidents, road traffic accidents, there are certain other crimes, the trend which we are seeing. Movement of Bangladeshi nationals, both sides, from India to Bangladesh and from Bangladesh to India, has been noticed in last few months, and there have been many detentions in this regard also, which has been reported in media widely. Then another major crime in this district is vehicle theft, especially two-wheelers, uh, especially this Royal Enfield bikes, Ntorq scooties, and Yamaha R15 bikes. Apart from that, there are certain cases of crime against women and children also, and drug peddling also. So these checkings are being conducted in the district around the clock in order to keep a check on all these activities. There is no single purpose. Of course, the primary purpose is to check drunken driving and over speeding, but we want our checking to be a deterrence to antisocial elements, and we use these nakas for multiple purpose in order to sometimes to investigate, sometimes to prevent crimes. So this has been going on. Apart from nakas, we are ensuring that whole night our teams are on road patrolling, so that you will agree with me, most of the crimes happen especially after sunset, before sunrise. So we want to check that. And apart from these two, we are conducting a lot of awareness programs also, so that people are better aware about all these things. Yesterday also we made an appeal, especially to our friends from media, to highlight this issue, because a lot of precious lives are being lost in freak accidents, which is absolutely avoidable. And we are going to launch a VDP movement in the district in next 1-2 months. We want VDPs, village defense parties, to be there in every village, each and every village without exception. We already have around 100 VDPs in the district, but total number of villages is 600 plus. So next 2-3 months we'll be taking it on a war footing, and ensure that VDPs are there in every village so that they can act as eyes and ears of district police. Apart from helping us in preventing crime, they will be quite helpful in detecting crimes also. And we are also ensuring strong investigation within the ambits of law so that there is a deterrence, there is a fear in the heart and minds of these antisocial elements, not to disrupt peace and tranquility in the district. So it's an ongoing effort. It's a ongoing effort. It will continue in days to come.
Habatin, Paidbah ki kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukam shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marbam medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.